Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with prerequisites and the first actions. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 12 or later, and you have AirPods or an MFI hearing device paired. Open Settings, go to Control Center, and add the hearing control so Live Listen is one tap away. Once done, pair and connect your earbuds in Bluetooth settings, put them in your ears. Position the iPhone close to the person or sound you want to amplify, because proximity affects clarity and volume. Now enable Live Listen and tune it to your situation. Swipe to open Control Center and tap the hearing icon. Choose your connected AirPods or hearing device from the list. Once Live Listen is active, move the iPhone closer to the speaker for cleaner capture and step back with your earbuds to reduce feedback. Make small volume adjustments with the side buttons or the on-screen slider. This balances comfort and intelligibility. If background noise is present, To finish, simply tap the hearing icon again or disconnect your AirPods. End the session when you no longer need amplification. If you hear static or echo, lower the output volume, move the iPhone slightly farther from the earbuds to stop feedback, and then recenter the microphone on the sound source. If connectivity drops or pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth or restart the iPhone, and make sure iOS and device firmware are up to date so Live Listen runs reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.